Be ready for dictation. Start. Sir, I rise to offer my reactions and make my observations in this debate on planning. I feel this debate is taking place at the most appropriate time because the guidelines and the objectives, though limited for the 7th 5-year plan, are being finalized and are being fixed. Sir, the objectives are there. The Planning Commission fixes the physical targets as against the volume of expenditure as fixed against the mobilized resources, but these physical targets, according to me, are offset according to me because of three reasons. Firstly, a large sector of our economy is not within the control of the Planning Commission. I would cite that the sectors of cement, energy, coal and railways, these have become very sensitive, so much so a slightest change here and there will set off the targets which have been fixed by the Planning Commission. Then I come to the second point, which is a very important point. The Finance Commission, as per our Constitution, has been authorized to make every time certain recommendations. One of the recommendations is that whenever there are natural calamities like drought, like floods, like earthquakes, and so on, then the loans which are to be advanced to the states are to be advanced from the plans which are to be projected by the states concerned. We know in our country, more or less every state suffers from these calamities within a short span of 5 years, and therefore the plans of the states also suffer. A remedy will have to be found for this purpose. Then, sir, the third reason is that although we fix the growth rate in general and in the industrial sector in particular, we have no built-in mechanism to see that the benefits and the gains of the plans are justly and equitably distributed among all the people spread all over the country. Then, sir, I come to a very important point which has been a point of discussion and a point of controversy whenever any demands are made or any budget proposals are discussed in this house. This is about the development of the backward areas. This is particularly so because I came from an area where all the 5 districts are industrially backward as declared by the Planning Commission. Let me first point out that there is a misconception about the whole thing. We have been from the beginning identifying the states as backward states and advanced states in this country. This is the root cause why backward areas are existing in our country. This particular subject is mostly concerned with macro, semi-macro, micro and semi-micro planning, I would suggest that there should be coordination at every level and an integration at all the levels. This is not happening as far as backward areas are concerned. In 1973, committee was appointed under Mr. Pandey to find out backward areas in this country. Then again in 1967, another committee was appointed under my honorable friend who tried to find our different industries and certain indices which would help in deciding upon the backward areas of the districts, and he came to the conclusion that in this country there were 250 districts which were considered to be backward. I do not agree with this concept because it is not only the industrial backwardness which is to be taken into account, but there are certain other factors also which have to be taken into account, and unless we go to the same micro level of the district to be counted as a unit for the purpose of planning, I do not think we will be able to eradicate or remove the underdeveloped character of the backward areas. The definition of backward areas has been confused with different terms. Although they have got their own parameters, they have got their own counts, their own methods of being judged. The term backward area has been confused with the term underdeveloping areas and with the term sick areas. Sick areas are those areas which have developed and where the micro units have gone sick. They require revitalization, they require consolidation. Here I am concerned with the backward areas which are underdeveloped in their character. Now what should be done for this? I have got a few suggestions to make about them. First of all, I feel that this concept that if some state is advanced and therefore the area that is covered by that state is also taken as advanced should not at all be there. On the other hand, we must take district as a unit, and according to the indices that are at our disposal, we should decide upon which districts in this country are backward from all points of view. A total picture should be taken into account and not the picture about industry alone should be taken into account. It was because the picture about industry was taken into account, there were certain recommendations made that there should be concession in taxes, stop